This is pretty good, actually.
Yeah. What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I did a public reaction to the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. You guys see me review things on this channel all the time, and I feel like some of the public should review this. Some of the common folk, not tech reviewers, should be reviewing this. So we took this around town. Most people haven't even used wireless earbuds that were in this video, so this is going to be a very, very interesting video. Pretty much showed them some features and stuff like that. Shout out to everyone who was in this video. Let's go ahead and start this off. All right, so we have the Galaxy Buds Plus right here. We're just basically give your opinion on how you think they are. We're going to take you through the UI, the wearable UI right now. And you can pretty much play any song you want. We have Spotify open right here. If you want to go ahead and open them up, check them out.
Samsung?
Yeah,
all
Samsung
right.
Buds Plus.
So we got the left one right here.
Yep.
All right, let's try it. So these are Galaxy AirBuds?
Galaxy Buds Plus.
All right. I like the color, but not the design so much.
And then obviously this pops up on the screen, Galaxy Buds. You can go ahead and put them in. That one's the left side of your ear. So can you hear me while listening to the music? If you put them both in, put one in?
Yeah.
Or put both in? Can you hear me while listening to the music right now? Not really?
A little bit.
Can you hear me talking now?
I could.
Okay.
Yeah, clear as day.
I don't own AirPods, so I don't really have a point of comparison,
okay.
I guess.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay, pretty noise canceling. Can't really hear myself.
So you can actually go ahead and put on any song you want.
What song should I put on? All right, Beats in the Trap by Travis Scott.
It's kind of hard to tell which one's the top and bottom.
Yeah, I actually had trouble with that as well.
Like, is this the top or is this the top? You know?
Yeah, I think right like that.
Like that?
Like that, yeah.
I can't hear anything. That's pretty good. You know?
Hold on one sec.
Right.
So we have a song playing right now, right?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and start that over real quick.
Everything sounds metallic.
Now let's go ahead and... Can you hear me now?
I can... Wow, it's kind of weird.
Oh, sick.
So we're gonna
Give me some bass.
All right, I got you.
Play me some Excision.
Okay.
So far. All right, now I'm gonna start talking to you now. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's... Well, that's weird. It's like I'm hearing myself on a video camera chat or something.
Yeah. So there's a mic in there, so you can hear yourself inside of the mic. So you can have conversations while listening to music. We also have an equalizer right here. Go to dynamic. Go back to noise canceling.
I like that.
You like that?
That sounds good.
So we have ambient sound on right now. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Is it weird?
Yeah.
We're gonna change it back to noise canceling right now. How does that sound? Hold on. How does that sound? Good. Then we also have different modes. We have normal, we have bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble. So you can actually change it on the equalizer. But it's seamless pairing, as you saw. It's kind of like the AirPods and Apple's, ecosystem. So how do you like them so far?
I like them.
You like them?
Yeah, that sounds weird, but I like them.
We also have an equalizer right here where you can put bass boost, normal, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So you can pretty much go through the different modes on here. But so far, listening experience, how do they sound?
They're very good.
Yeah.
When you put on this setting, the high setting, I could hear you super clear.
Yeah.
And it's more muffled when you go back to the normal setting.
Okay,
So
cool.
yeah.
What would you pay for these if you're like a Samsung guy? I don't know what phone you're rocking, but...
I have an iPhone.
Oh, okay.
I'm not too sure because I don't really have AirPods or anything,
Yeah.
but I'd say 150.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
exactly the price that they come out for. Yeah.
Yeah, 150.
So-
That seems like a fair price.
Fair
for
price.
these. Yeah,
Okay, awesome,
They
man.
don't come standard with the phones or anything.
Awesome,
If I had
man.
a Samsung, I would get them. But right now, I'm just using iPhones, so
Okay,
Yeah.
for sure.
Do they work for iPhones?
Yeah, they work
Okay.
on iPhone, iOS, and Android.
Okay. Yeah, they're pretty solid.
So can you hear me still?
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's
A little
cool.
bit. You can actually have conversations while having the earbuds in when you have ambient all the way up.
Okay.
And we also have an equalizer right here. We can change the range or change the different modes and stuff. So we have normal, bass boost, soft. go ahead and put on what you prefer.
Dynamic, definitely.
So how's the listening experience so far?
So far, so good. I like it a lot. Better than AirPods, for sure.
And then obviously noise canceling once you
Yeah.
go right here. Or how much would you pay for them?
I mean, probably no more than like 100.
100? Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't pay more than 100.
I get you. So these are releasing at 150.
Okay, that's not bad though.
Yeah, these are releasing at 150. They're also giving them free if you purchase a Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra. So
Wait. I feel like my voice has changed.
yeah, it is.
Why?
Because you're speaking to me while listening to yourself in the earbuds. So this is the ambient setting where you can actually talk to me while listening to music. And then once we change it back to noise canceling, it's a little bit harder to hear me.
Whoa. This is pretty good, actually.
Yeah. And then
This
we
is
also
like
have
software?
an Equalizer right here. Yeah, this is the Galaxy Buds Plus app. This goes through the Samsung wearable application. We have bass boost right here. We have dynamic. We have soft, clear, treble boost, so you can
Dynamic's
set
pretty
it.
good.
Yeah?
Dynamic's pretty
You
good.
like it?
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. I feel like AirPods does not have the different settings we can
Yeah.
optimize for ourselves, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Does it?
I don't think so. I haven't tried the AirBuds AirPod
Yeah.
Pros, but I haven't seen anything on the second
I
gens
think it's
either.
pretty good.
How much would you pay for these?
All right, so I personally have $15 to $30 headphones from Amazon, and
Okay.
they're pretty good. But looking at the settings here, I'd probably say like 75.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are actually 150.
I knew it.
150
I knew
bucks.
it. I was thinking 150. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna pay 150.
So they're $100 less than the AirPod Pros,
Alright, that's true.
but the thing is they actually come free with the Galaxy S20 when you pre-order it, so you get free AirBud Pluses. But yeah, how do you like them?
Yeah, I think they're pretty good.
Okay.
They're better than mine, though. So.
If you want to put a pop tag, we'll go ahead and tag you. Instagram, whatever.
Sure. So I just tell you my Instagram, my username or something?
Yeah.
All right, so it's Eldwin, ELDWIN, period, C.
Okay.
That's me.
Awesome, man. And if you double tap on the right side of your earbud, you can actually skip the song.
There we go.
So you like them so far?
I do.
Do you have AirPods?
I don't. I kind of just stick with my Bose.
Oh, okay, I got
Yeah. Because I feel like I would just lose these, honestly.
you. Yeah, that's how I feel about them as well. But how much would you pay for these?
Well, considering your AirPods go for like around 200, I'm guessing these are probably cheaper. So maybe like 150, 130, 140. Yeah.
Yeah. So they're actually 150. But for 150, you think decent pricing for what you get?
I mean, yes, because they're like noise canceling. They come with all of this. And like I said, compared to AirPods, they're kind of like a bargain.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man. I don't think I would ever buy just earphones by themselves for anything more than 100.
Yeah, I get you.
So,
and then with the S20 and the S20 Ultra, you're getting them free with pre-order.
Oh,
So when you
sick.
purchase the phone,
I gotta upgrade my phone then, because I'm on that S9 Plus still.
yeah. How's the quality of
It's good.
music? Good. And then you can also double tap on the right side to skip each song.
Oh, I like that.
How much would you pay for these?
Like 250?
$250. Is that because the AirPod Pros are like $250?
No, just like,
Just because the quality of them?
yeah, it just seems like reasonable because it has like all these effects. So.
Okay, for sure. So you can actually get these free with when you actually pre-order the S20 or S20 Ultra. And these are actually $150 if you wanted to buy them brand new.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So for that price, do you like?
Yeah, it's
You like 'em?
$100 cheaper.
Give your tags a shout out.
Oh yeah.
So, our YouTube channel, you guys get in it so you can see it. So, we have a YouTube channel with us just 4 friends. Our thing is 01 Babies with 2 S's at the end.
What content do you guys do?
Partying, we do vlogs, we do mukbangs, all of that sort.
Awesome.